Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another video of Miss.Diva.Deep. So I just woke up. I already done with brushing up my teeth and now it's time to take bath because I have to go to my work and I don't want to make any sort of delays. It's already 11:30 and I have to go out to take bus around 1. So yeah, so I have to do it really quickly. So first I'm gonna be taking bath. I have to do head wash because it's Sunday. I can't skip Sundays. And then I will wear my dress and I will keep you guys updated. Hey, so I just took bath and now I'm inside my room and this is the kind of view at my back. So it's already 12. I took half an hour to take bath. Oh god. So now I'm going to wear my dress and after wearing my dress I will show you how it looks like. The day is not really planned. All I know is that I'm going to my work, my job, and after that I will come back. So this is how the day is going to look like and I will keep you guys updated throughout the day. If anything comes up, surely I will show you that also. Guys, so I'm drinking a smoothie. This is a dragon fruit smoothie basically, and today I was not in mood of having anything really heavy, so I just told my sister to make a smoothie for me and she prepared it and now I'm having it. Technically it's not morning, it's almost 1 p.m, so sorry to say that it's not morning, but yeah, whenever I go to work, like usse pehle ka time I feel like it's morning. So yeah, this is the quick update of the day. It is very thick. Usually I really don't like juices and smoothies. I don't know why I don't feel like drinking them, but today, as I was not in the mood of having anything, but still my stomach make me feel that I have to eat something. So I told her just prepare a smoothie because that is the only thing that I can have really quickly. Like, so I have chopped all the onions here and here we have few tomatoes, but still we have 2 more tomatoes over here that we are going to cut really quickly. This is ginger garlic paste and this is our coriander. So in this pressure cooker we have few eggs. मैं eggs को normally I boil or whatever in this one only. So everything for like chopping, everything is done almost. Abhi we are just going to start our process like adding oil, then adding some masalas onto it. The thing is that I eat spicy food. I love the spices. And I forgot to tell you that I have decided to prepare egg curry. I love egg curry. I don't know why, but after coming here, I stopped liking mushroom. Like it's been like more than a year I didn't had mushroom, but this egg curry is getting onto my head. I don't know why. So yeah, today we are preparing that and yeah, let's see how it goes. I will keep you guys updated. This time I will try not to forget. I guess you guys can see my pan. I have this and Now I'm gonna be adding these onions. Now I'm gonna wait for a few minutes so that it can get brown completely. So this is how the masala looks like. इसके अंदर we're gonna add some water just to cook all the masalas into it. All the spices that we have added, we just really need to cook them all.
Hey guys, so I'm done with my dinner and now it's time to sleep क्योंकि बहुत time हो गया है, almost 10 बज गए हैं and tomorrow again I have shift, so उसके लिए I have to wake up early in the morning like around 6. तो अभी मैं जा रही हूँ सोने and I will meet you soon in my next video. And if you haven't watched my previous video that I've uploaded last week, that was about my convocation day. So I will just mention the link of my previous video in the description box. If you haven't watched it, then go watch it right after this one and leave your comments, whatever you feel like. Feel free to leave that in the comment section below. And I will meet you soon in my next video. Till then, love you all.